Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Antonette's Vignettes, and that's hosted by Antonette Decorating. Now her co-host for this month is Nicole, Home and Garden. Now the theme for this month is vintage or Victorian. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and if you'll watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decorates their vignette, vintage or Victorian. So I DIY'd this heart and I created a texture on it, and I'm absolutely loving it. It was my first time doing it and I think I'm going to do it again. This is absolutely beautiful. So if this is your first time here in the channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope that you stay and subscribe, click that like button, and most of all, comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now what I will say is I'm going to keep moving stuff around until I find the right placement that I feel good with. So that's what you're going to see me doing here as I move these pieces around. I hope you love these pieces because most of them I DIY'd, some I thrifted, and the other I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm absolutely loving how this vignette is coming together, and I hope that you do too. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. Okay, so we are all done and I am ready to head on over to the reveal. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.